We're in the cabin on a Maersk container ship, and whether you're a junior officer or unlicensed crew member, your room will look very similar to this. There's a bunch of nice lockers here with drawers. A lot of storage, a bunch of cabinets here. Nice fridge, TV, plenty of places to plug in laptops, your cell phone. Every room has its own internal phone, so you can be reached by the bridge or anybody else on the ship. Couch. The nice thing about this couch is it faces a thwartship, whereas the bed faces fore and aft. So if we're rolling in heavy seas, sometimes I'll sleep on this couch so I won't roll out of it and instead just pitch up and down. Here's a view. When they haven't loaded cargo that high up on this bay here, bay 54, you can actually see out pretty nicely. Unfortunately, when the ship is fully loaded, usually when you open up your window, all you'll see is a container blocking your view. And we're going around the coast of Florida right now, so the humidity outside is very high. That's why the windows are all fogged up. Every room has its own head, private sink, mirror, and shower. Most ships have Wi-Fi now with a router on every deck. The Wi-Fi is hit and miss depending on how many people are using it at any given time. Most rooms come with a little artwork on the bulkheads. Alright, so that's a Maersk container ship room. Senior positions, including the captain, chief mate, chief engineer, first engineer, and chief steward, will have slightly larger rooms with an attached office, which provides a lot more living space.